Jump into this unboxing and a quick review. I just want to say what's up, everybody. Please subscribe, hit the like button, drop me a comment, tell me if my beard needs to get cut off, and then I'm back. I've been around the game. I haven't went nowhere, but let's jump into it. This is the Galaxy Z Fold 2. Today is September 16th. We're going to unbox it really quick because I hate doing unboxings, and then we'll jump into the details. Box that comes in, you see it on the side. Sit on that side, see the back, see there, that's it, right? So let's get it out the box, get the box out the way. Then we got the nice little cover outside, boom, open up. You flip the box because I can already see what the manual looks like. Boom, right there. You see that Samsung? Boom. They're gonna give me some documents, notes, some other garbage, don't care about that. Change the shape of the future, don't care about that. This is what we care about. Oh. Get that out the way. This is what y'all want to see. The Galaxy Fold 2. Now, I've been playing with mine. That's why my screensaver's all jacked up. But I want to do a quick boxing for y'all because I know some of y'all love that. So I'm going to stick this over here. And manual. Get this out the way. Comes with your brick. Power brick. And charging cable. And this is right here. I don't know what this is. It looks like this stage gave me an empty box. Yeah, man. It's empty. Yo. And we back. Today we're looking at the Galaxy Fold 2. The Z Fold 2, to be correct. I'm not going into specs. You already know what specs are, okay? Let's jump into why this phone is amazing. Why this phone is better than any Apple phone, any LG, or any other phone that's on the market right now. It's simple. This size screen in your pocket. You cannot beat that. So if you look at the Note 10 Plus, right now I'm recording on the iPhone 11 Pro Max. They're great phones. Phones now are starting to hit a plateau where they're not getting any better. However, this takes it to the next level. When you have a phone, high resolution phone, top of the line, you know it has the best screen because of Samsung. Samsung made phones for iPhone. You can't pass this up. You cannot pass this up. Being on a home screen like this, and being able to do your day-to-day functions while still maintaining a somewhat slim profile. It's kind of thick. I'll be the first to honest, to admit this. It's kind of thick. It's a little heavy, but it feels solid. So, again, when you jump back to the screen, man, and you're just looking at a phone like this, you cannot be beat. And then you open it up, and you get this experience. How do you beat this? How can you literally, honestly tell me that the iPhone, the Note 20, any other phone that's out beats this? You can't. So let's jump into the screen. So one of my favorite things is simply just the size. Yes, folding the phone is incredible. It is so amazing. These hinges have outdone themselves. When I could look at these hinges and I compare it to my Surface Book, which I actually love. That's probably my favorite laptop. I have a MacBook 2019. I have an iPad 2019, iPad Pro. That's my favorite device out of all devices. So I'm not an Apple hater. My iPad 2019 can't be beat. However, the hinges on this thing are just like the Surface. They're sturdy, they're rugged, and you feel like no matter where you put this phone, it's going to hold shape. I'm not doing this. I'm just holding the phone. Even if you close all the way down, can't be beat. So that alone makes the phone feel premium because it doesn't just close and open like the first one did. So the phone itself has facial unlock. It's not as good as the Apple's facial unlock. I'd be the first to admit that, but it's decent. It's doable. Fingerprint scanners and the home button right here, which I like better. This has the in the screen fingerprint on the Note 10, the S20, and the Note 20. I freaking hate with a passion this fingerprint scanner. Half the time it doesn't work, so I'm having to put in my passcode in the first place. So I eventually just turned it off because it just drove me nuts. And I try it every time a new update come out, so don't tell me update the phone and try it again. It sucks. This one right here, I like a lot. You just put your finger on the home button, boom, you're in the phone every single time. Now the face unlock, it works, but I've already beat it, messing around with other things, so I'm not going to go on that. As far as the fluidity of the phone, if you use any of the Note 10s, S20s, Note 20s, you know what Samsung's bringing to the table. You know what Android's bringing to the table now. Android lately in the last probably 2 or 3 years have probably been one of the best OS, if not the best OS. And I say that because Apple initially was the best OS, hands down. Over the last couple of years, they've been adding a lot more features in, starting to get widgets and stuff like that, trying to make it more like an Android type phone. But when you introduce new things, you introduce new risks, new problems, new code issues. So you know what you get when you jump into this phone. You get a clean experience, and I enjoy it from that point. But the phone itself, the camera, outstanding. Video quality, outstanding. The only thing you need to talk about on this phone is the size of the screen. Nothing else matters. I bought this phone myself. This is not a review. Samsung ain't getting no credit or kickback from me or nothing like that, and I'm not getting kickback from Samsung. I bought the phone because I really, really wanted the phone because they fixed a lot of the issues from the first one. So I want to jump into a YouTube video. And I try to be cute and I put my glasses on for y'all. I can't see nothing, but it's cool. It's cool. We're going to do this. So the speakers on this thing are incredible. This is without a doubt the loudest phone I've ever had. Period. I don't even know if it's turned all the way up right now. Let's find out. And it's not. And it's not. Get the fuck out of here, man. Listen to this. I'm sitting here watching a movie, chilling. This is what I hear. Like, this is crazy. Hold on, this is such a difference. I gotta show y'all the difference, man. Like, I'm gonna let y'all keep watching this video. Oh, I just fingerprint. So, proof. Fingerprint's back on because they just did an update. Sucks. So this is the Note 10 Plus. Wonderful phone. I absolutely love it. This is what you get with the Note 10, right? Sounds good. I had no complaints with it. Love watching it. But we're going to pause this real quick. This is what you get with the Fold. So much louder. It's rich as far as the quality, the audio quality. They did a good job with this. And look at the screen size difference, man. I mean, which one would you rather watch? I'm done. Ain't got nothing else to say. Galaxy Fold 2. Cameras are awesome. Not happy with the cameras, to be honest. But they are still awesome. They're running 12 megapixel cameras. Widescreen. Telephoto. Standard camera. However, the front-facing camera in the center of the hole punch and the one that's sitting on the front of the phone are only 10 megapixels. The reason I said I'm not happy with the cameras itself is because of the fact that they came out the Note 20 and they put a 64 megapixel on that camera, which has 50 zoom. I think it's 10 standard zoom, and then the rest is all like digital zoom. However, that's still an option. That's still a function. If I want to see something and zoom into something, I can do it. S20 had 100 and some megapixel and can do up to 100x. Why would you go back to 12 on this and leave me a standard 10 digital? Like, that's terrible. You know what I'm saying? Like, I feel like Samsung, Apple, all of these companies, it's time for us to kind of boycott. I'm a super tech dude. I buy all of this stuff. But the fact is, they keep giving us a little bit and a little bit more. But now they slowly starting to take stuff away. This phone did come with a power brick and a charger. But the iPhones, going forward, they won't come with a charger anymore. I'm not bashing on Apple. It's a smart business practice. But from a consumer standpoint, it's a problem. You know, that's not okay to keep giving us the same thing and then taking away something else. So, that's my opinion. That's my rant.